Hello, I wanted to do a quick video. I got in some of the new deluxe papers from Cricut and I wanted to show you. I was so tickled about these designs. I don't know when they released them, but this one is called Vibrant Flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. I love it. Now, if you're seeing shadows across it, it's because of the Venetian blinds in my studio. But there are no shadows across it. You can really see the shadows in that one. The backs on these are solid and not always what you would expect. Look at that. You get 2 sheets of each one. And I believe there's 6 designs, maybe 5. I was very pleased with this one. I like it a lot better than what was in I previewed when I looked on the net. This one.
What are you talking about, Trish? You haven't said a word to me.
I'm not talking to you, Daddy.
Who are you talking to?
Say hello, everybody. That's my dad. He tends to come in sometimes when I'm talking to y'all. This one is polka dots, but they're not perfectly round polka dots. So they're abstract. And again, no shadow. But it's got a pink. Then we've got what I believe to be little flowers. And some little doodly stars. Can you see those? And then you've got larger areas with dots and circles to where they actually make oh, these are little flowers too. I thought they were stars, but they actually could be either one. So I kind of think of daisies when I see this one. Okay, that was the floral, and it's on sale. Last day is today, but you can always catch it on sale later if you don't get it this time. This is Natalie Milan, and she's one of the favorite designers with Cricut. Beautiful, beautiful paper, and this one is the Souris. Don't you love that design? I just love it. I love the idea of how she took the white, and whether she did it, it gave it a batik look. But check it out. Here's the back. And you are actually seeing a checkerboard. And all of these papers coordinate with each other in the pack. So I could use this with this. There's the back. Isn't that awesome? Look how well they coordinate. And this one coordinates real well with the first one because it's got the little white designs in here that give it a batik look on both patterns. Okay. Next, we got the little tea glasses, coffee mugs, whichever you prefer. Oh, in the back of it is a checkerboard. This one has moths and butterflies, I believe. Because of the way the antennas are, I believe those could be butterflies. Okay, we turn them over. And we have a solid one on this one. This one, for some reason, makes me think of paisley, even though there's no paisley design in here. But that's what it makes me think of. It's got a fruit and some flowers and leaves. Turn it over and you've got a distressed background. This one looks like lemons. And who doesn't like lemons? Then you turn it over and a distressed pink background. So Natalie has 2 designs in each one. Both the front and the back. And you don't know that from looking at the pictures in Cricut.com. So I thought I would show you. You wouldn't realize it unless you were at the store and flipping through it. I just really like that. How would that go well? Blends right in with those limes, the fruits. Okay, so you've got some wonderful new papers. Remember, this is Natalie Milan Sari, and this is Vibrant Flowers. It's a 10-pack on the Vibrant Flowers and a 12-pack on the Sari. Oh, and if you did look at the store, you could look at it this way and see that those have solids. And really, you can't tell from this one without really looking that they have a pattern on the back. So, just thought I'd throw that in there, and hope we will be doing some designs with these very soon. Sorry about that, Coda. Oh, and I got this removable, this is removable matte premium vinyl. And it's in red, black, and gray. So we've got to decide on what we're going to do with this. We can make lots of backgrounds. Place them on kitchen cabinets because they can always be replaced later. Okay, this is the new premium vinyl that lays flat. Almost forgot that one. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Be sure and use my links if you decide you want to go get these now. Thank you. Bye-bye.